Oh. Dali. Walk doon. Go. Walking, walking. Come on. Come on.
Sorry.
Tingin tayo kung may apple mango.
Sorry. Sorry.
Come on, come on. Wala akong makita. Morgan? Morgan? Doon tayo sa flowers tuloy.
Flower?
Ayun, yun yung may flower, oh.
My flower?
That one, oh, yung purple.
Purple flower?
Yeah. Blooming. Oh, this one, look at that, so beautiful, oh. Dali, you touch it. Oh, so pretty. Oh, tingin dito kay mama.
You egg.
Uday mo na yan.
This one.
Oh, this one, it's rose, oh. Wow.
See your egg?
Yeah.
It's a see your egg. Ooh.
So pretty.
Egg.
Alin?
Egg.
Ask mo si Lola ba't may egg dyan, no?
Oh,
Hi, Ming.
it's a ghost. Real.